We all listen now we go dance and start. Sing Salavina Manor.
So today guys, I want to make a blue lemonade, but unfortunately, I cannot afford to buy the ingredients, which is one of the very important of the blue lemonade is the blue curacao syrup. Blue curacao syrup is imported here in Korea, and it is quite expensive and it takes time para dumating dito sa Korea through carrier. So kung meron man available dito sa Korea, it is very expensive na rin din. So the parcel is about 2 weeks, or kung you are very fortunate enough, 1 week is more faster. And also kailangan din ng sparkling water. So sparkling water is you can get anywhere, but the blue curacao syrup is very important. So now guys, ang gagawin ko is bumili na lang ako ng 2-in-1. Actually, this is a sparkling and tonic water, and the color is blue. So I want to make this an experiment if it is the same taste with the blue curacao. And also we have 1 lemon, big lemon. We need 45 to 50 ml of lemon juice. So samahan nyo ako guys sa aking paggawa ulit. So I need to wash this lemon and soak it first with what they call this, baking soda. So ayan guys, yung malaking lemon na nabili ko. This is very fresh, imported from US. So para syempre maano natin yung para to make it safe, anuhan natin siya ng baking soda. So lagyan natin guys siya ng baking soda at ibabad natin ng mga 1 minute para maano yung niya, yung chemicals, matanggal yung chemicals. So leave it for 1 minute muna guys. So after 1 minute guys, anuhin na natin, slicein na natin, then anuhin na natin yung juice. Guys, gamit ko yung squeezer ko ng lemon. Kailangan makaproduce tayo ng juice na marami. Medyo kasi malaki itong lemon. Tapos ano siya guys, parang walang juice. Ang hirap i-squeeze. Ayan. Malaki lang siya pero hindi mano. So we need 45 to 50 ml ng juice. So ayan na mga friendship, naka-squeeze na tayo ng 50 ml ng lemon. So ilalagay natin dito sa may ice na, tapos kung may extra kayong lemon, mag-slice kayo, lagyan nyo doon sa loob. Ayan. Ayan siya mga friendship, 1 slice ng lemon. Tapos salain natin. Ayan, may lemonade na siya doon. Then inilagay ko sa freezer yung natin, sparkling blue water or iron water. At this is very din, So, ngayon, ilagay natin dito yung lemon, yung ano natin. So, ayan guys, meron na tayong blue lemonade. What can you say? This is very refreshing and very delicious.